Hello guys, today I'm gonna unbox my bike which I ordered from Trax Bar. It came today in a really huge box. If you can see, the box is quite heavy and it's a big one. So probably the entire bike was put inside the box. So when I ordered it from Trax Bikes, I was wondering whether I should come to the store and pick it up or have it delivered to my house. A lot of people was wondering, when it comes to your house, probably you have an issue to build it up. Maybe it comes in piece, so you need to put it together. But look at the size of the box. I think it probably entirely by was built and mostly ready for you to ride. We are going to unbox it and see what is inside this box. It's so heavy, I cannot lift it up and take the bike out. So you can see, they put the entire bike in the box. One thing I was a little bit disappointed about Trax bike packaging the bike. If you see, the release skewer on the left side, it wasn't protected by anything, and then it was rubbing out through the box during transmit. While on the right side, it was protected. And you see here, they protected on the right hand side, but on the left side, the skewer, it wasn't protected. This is a Cannondale Quick 3 2022 chameleon color. The whole bike was built and packaged in the box, so it includes almost everything without the pedal. They send the pedal separately. This is the box. It's going included from Trax bike. So inside that you will find the pedal and some tool for you to hook your pedal into the bike. This is the pedal that included free of charge. Yeah. And then as well, some tool for you to play with your bike. Instruction, and then Trax tool again, pedal span tool. That's it. So this is the bike, built in everything. It will protect it here, protected. The seat also protected. The only thing that you need to do is to put in the pedal, and the pedal is that, it's very easy. You don't even need a tool to put it in. So did the right. That's it. And on the left side, that's it for the pedal. Very easy. Let me just So they also include a small instruction for you. A few more elements, and then we can see a fully uncovered bike. See? Now you can turn the handlebar 90 degrees to the direction of the bike. Make sure that it's 90 degrees to the wheel. You can stand like me and then look up your wheel and look at the front. Turn it into 90 degrees from there. So that's it. Oh, the seat is a bit too high for me, so I need to lower it down. It's very easy for you to put in the pedal, adjust the handlebar. The rest is already built, ready for you, so you don't have to do much. Hello guys, let me introduce to you Cannondale Quick 3. This is the very comfortable bike. Look at this. First thing, the look is very beautiful. The color, the chameleon color is shining, it's make your bike outstanding in front of other bike. The design look pretty cool. The frame is made by aluminum. The fork, this is made by carbon. So it's even better, lighter than aluminum. When you lift up the bike, you can see it's very light. So if you live in, upstairs, you don't have lift, you need to carry it on. Wouldn't be any problem at all. It has a hydraulic disc brake. This is the most advanced technology of brake. Make it safer, work better even in the bad weather, even when it's raining. So you don't have to worry about. When you look at my bike, you see it had a fender. It had the light up. These are additional accessories. The bike came along without mudguard, without light. You need to buy it by yourself. So just check out my description. I post the link to the SKS Mudguard that you can buy. It had a front gear and the rear gear. So the front had a 2 level and the back has a 9 level. So you can see it had 18 level of adjustment of your speed. And I think it quite comfortable, sporty, very easy to drive. You can go with it in almost any surface, any road within the city, in the park. So that's it. Cannondale Quick 3. It's beautiful, isn't it? The price is £650 for this bike. Let's take it for a ride.
So that is for the test ride today. From my experience, it's very good to ride this bike. It's light, it's easy to control, it goes fast in the flattened road. What you need to be careful is, the tire is quite similar to the road bike. So when you go downhill, when you go with the unstable road, like the road that you see in the video, so you need to be extremely careful when you turn the handle, when you speed it up, when you slow it down, because the touch between the tire and the surface, is limited. So it makes the bike more difficult to control. It's very lightweight. It's very easy to, push the bike. The position is quite comfortable. I do really like this bike. So I think it's a good bike. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like, subscribe button, and see you on the next video.